I don't care.
But you guys should be bullying a boy. Seriously, it's not nice. It doesn't matter if they're smarter than you.
Oh. I never thought about it like that.
What about if I bully you? You guys would have been, like, sad, you know?
Yeah.
Treat others the way you want.
I hopped into a coffee shop.
Bongle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta. Bingle bongle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta.
Wow, that was good.
I think I know what the moral of the story is.
What do you think the moral of the story is?
Treat others the way you want to be treated.
Or as